Hi, I'm Christine. Welcome to my channel, Learn to Speak Filipino. Do you remember or have you checked that the Filipino alphabet has 28 letters? Okay? And the original, or where it came from rather, the Tagalog alphabet includes the letter NG. Okay? Includes the letter NG, and the sound of the letter NG is ng. Okay? So the sound of the letter NG is ng. Okay? So for those of you whose common language with me is English, okay, just go back to the NG sound or the ing, okay, the ing sound in progressive or ongoing action in English, okay? So the ing or the ng sound in ing, okay, in English in progressive on ongoing action is the ng, the sound of the letter ng. Mind you, okay, ng is one letter in the Tagalog alphabet, okay? It is also included in the Filipino alphabet. So it's one of the 28 letters in the Filipino alphabet, NG, and the sound is ng. Okay, so I will give you, or we will pronounce together the words nang, okay, nang, NG, okay, you say nang, okay? So sounds like N-A-N-G, so you say nang, okay? Similar to that sound is the plural marker, which is mga. Mga. So, sounds like M-A-N-G-A. Mga. Mga. So, N-G is nang, okay? M-G-A is mga, okay? Let's add the noun marker and the subject marker, ang, which also ends in ng. So you say ang. Okay? It means the in English. So ang. Okay, let's do that again. So nang, ng. Okay? The plural marker mga, mga. And the subject marker or the noun marker ang. Okay? So masisipag ang mga Pilipino. Masisipag ang mga Pilipino. Filipinos are hardworking. So, ang mga Pilipino. Okay, can you say that for me? Ang mga. Ang mga. Okay, now, Filipino ang pambansang wika ng Pilipinas. Filipino is the national language of the Philippines. Okay? Filipino ang pambansang wika ng Pilipinas. Okay? Nang. Can you say that for me? NG is pronounced as nang. Nang. Okay, so again, ng, mga, and ang. Maraming salamat po.